Hi, so today we're working on a 2019 Grand Design Reflection. We're replacing the TPO roof on it, and I just wanted to show you how Dave's gluing it down. Basically, we replaced some roof material. Customer had something that blew up on the roof and actually damaged the roof material right in the center. Just missed a solar panel, which was lucky for them, but did hit the roof membrane. So their insurance went ahead and covered it. We're up here, we're actually using the Dicor TPO material and the Dicor glue. We found that over the years, we've been using that same product since like 2003. We've never had any issues with it coming loose or not bonding correctly. And so, as you can see, Dave's just doing little sections at a time. Basically what he does, instead of, like they do in production, is he's just doing a couple feet at a time. That way he can go back through and make sure that there's no imperfections in the glue, any little pieces of chips or wood or anything that's sticking up. So, and he'll roll this material down. He'll use a squeegee to get any bubbles and stuff out of it, and go back with some rags to help smooth it down even more, to make sure there's nothing underneath. If there is, and the nice thing about this is he can actually roll the material back, pick out or correct any issues, and then roll it back in place.